Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I thought we will talk about makeup favorites. It's been a while and I want to tell you the top 10 makeup products that I'm obsessed with right now, and the products that you should get if you want to build your kit or update your kit or whatever it is you're in a shopping mode. Up to you, boo. I'm not judging you. And also I'm going to be showing you how to apply those products on my face. So basically I built this face today using my favorite products, and I'm including a full face of products, so in case you want to buy products from this video, you can definitely create a full face of look just like this. Having said that, if this is the very first time you're seeing this face, hello, I am Jovita and I would love it if you join my family. Click that red subscribe button just underneath this video, and now let's get started. Oh guys, I filmed this video a long time ago and I hadn't launched my brush set yet at the time. So the very first must have right now, okay, a small edit, is my pack brush set, guys. I have my own brush set. This is literally all you need. I think this is the most gorgeous set ever. The brushes are absolutely stunning. If you haven't seen them on my Instagram and the previous couple of videos, I'm trying to take them out. Beautiful brushes, okay? I'm not gonna waste more time in this video talking about it because I have explained it all right here. Check it out. Now let's move on to my pre-filmed must-haves. Alrighty guys, product number one is a foundation, a favorite of mine. It's been a long time since I've fallen in love so deeply, hardly, with a foundation, and you know foundation is my jam. Being brown, being of neutral undertone, it's hard to get a foundation that just matches your skin tone without having to mix and match and whatnot, guys. The Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour foundation in the shade 4.0 is my skin tone. Like, I can wear an open neck, open shoulder kind of a dress and you are not gonna clock me because the foundation match is so perfect. It gives you a beautiful, long-lasting, humidity-proof, medium coverage but buildable, not oxidizing coverage. What else do I say? And they also have a lot of shades, and what I love is that they come in these travel size. So if you are not wanting to buy the full size and not wanting to spend that much money, you can buy these minis and that's it. I have a full review of this right here. This is 1,350 rupees, the tiny size. So if you want a more in-depth review before making the jump into purchasing this, definitely check this video out. Let's talk about a concealer that I was obsessed with and I forgot about it completely because there were so many other concealers in my life, and I am sorry, sugar, I am sorry. The Sugar Cosmetics waterproof concealer, the Magic Wand one in the shade 45 Con Panna, is so creamy, so thick, so full coverage, but so easily blendable. It's waterproof, long lasting, everything that you want. So maybe your under eyes or your hyperpigmentation, this covers it all, and it doesn't leave your skin looking crepey, cakey, dry, patchy. It's just so buttery smooth and it goes on like a dream. When I got this, shade 45 was their darkest shade. I do not know if they have expanded on their shade range. I hope they have, because this can be used as my under eye concealer or like a highlighting concealer. It still cannot be used to match my exact skin tone for hyperpigmentation, blemishes, pimples and whatnot. And like I've said time and again, I'm not the deepest shade available in India. So I hope Sugar has expanded on their shade range because this concealer is such a winner. This costs you 799 rupees. I think that's a fabulous price. All sorts of links and information will be listed in the description bar below, so definitely check that out. I have omitted any sort of powders in this video because I keep talking about the K-Beauty compact powders and the loose powders. I don't have any other favorites, so I'm not having any new favorites added into this video. Let's just move on. Even blush. The K-Beauty Soft Nude is my favorite blush, and I generally use my lipstick as my blush, so I'm not using any blush in this video as well. Let's move on to a face mist. Now, if you watched my festive hacks video, which I highly recommend, guys, more than best products, I think how you can apply them and little tips and tricks to make them perfect and multitask for you is an information that is missing and that I believe you require. So if you haven't seen this, if in case YouTube was behaving naughty and did not show this upload of mine to you, definitely check it out. But anyways, I've been obsessing over facial mist when it comes to applying makeup. I love misting my face before makeup, soon after, just applying base makeup, and also as a final step after everything is done to seal it all in. I think that it makes your skin looks more skin-like, dewy, it gives an overall glow. Also, if you have difficulty buffing your foundation in, this is going to make your foundation slip and blend even easier. The mist that I am obsessing over right now is a Pixi Rose Glow Mist. It's also got a couple of oils, which is very beneficial for your skin. So it's actually a skincare product that can also be incorporated into your makeup, which we love that. This is not to make your makeup last all day, so do not get me wrong. This is to make your makeup look beautiful, glowy, more natural, not cakey. That's the purpose of incorporating a mist like this into your makeup. To make it last long, what I still love is the NYX makeup mist. I had made a whole video about them right here, including a couple of hacks on how to further multitask with your mists. If you haven't seen that, you can check it out right here. The next product I want to talk about is an eyeshadow palette, and it's not even a new eyeshadow palette. It's been here for a while and I still love it. If you want a basic neutral eyeshadow palette, and I think if you wear makeup, a neutral eyeshadow palette is a must-have, because, you know, just something on your lid. Or if you're even a professional, because that's where you do your crease and, you know, your detail work. This eyeshadow palette from NYX Cosmetics, this is the Ultimate Shadow Palette USP 03 Warm Neutrals Palette. What I love about it is that it has such a huge range of colors. Usually when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, neutral palettes, if they have deep colors, if it's suited for deeper skin tones, lighter skin tones can't use them because they don't have light enough shade for brow bone and highlighting and whatnot. And if it is suited for a light skin tone, deeper skin tones don't have deep enough shades for your crease and transition and whatnot. But this palette is a universal palette, guys. This is gonna suit all of you. I definitely wish it had one more darker shade. The next product I want to talk about is also an eyeshadow palette. Now, if you have your neutral palette and if you want to jazz up your eyes with glitters, shimmers, metallic shades, this one from PAC Cosmetics, it's the Shimmer Shadow Palette Uptown Bling. All it has is metallic shades. Such a beautiful companion palette to a seemingly boring neutral palette like this. These two together, you can create any look. And I use this olive right here, and I use the gold to just amp up the center, make it a little bit two-dimensional, and I also gave it a little bit of depth using this deep dark brown metallic shade. So it's got your blues, plums, golds, olives, gray, pink, everything in here. Alright, sticking to the eyes, mascara, guys. When it comes to mascara, I've said this many times, I hate using false lashes. I hate the lash glue remnants for the rest of the week, and I hate putting it on, pulling it out, my lashes that fall off as martyrs. I hate it all. So I'm a little bougie when it comes to buying mascaras, because I love mascaras that give you the effect of false lashes. Just like today, it really volumizes my lashes. And what I've noticed is most often the more expensive mascaras, when it comes to cruelty free, the more expensive mascaras do this trick. And my newest find is the Natasha More mascara. Absolutely love it. Love the formula, love the tube. It's so fancy jazzy. It's about 2,000 rupees, guys, so it's a little up there, but you don't have to stick false lashes. You don't have to buy glue or lashes, or, you know, it gives you these gorgeous volumizing effect. And I really love the wand. It's a tapered wand which really gets to the inner corner, your outer corner, your lower lashes. So this one mascara will cover all the base. And this is not a waterproof mascara, which I love. I hate waterproof mascara and that struggle to get it off. But it does not flake, it does not fall on your cheek, it does not, you know, rub off if you are caught in a little bit of drizzle, a little tear. It just doesn't break down on the slightest touch of water. You have to put your makeup remover and then it easily comes off. So all in all, start to finish, I think this is a fabulous mascara. Alright, before moving on to lips, I want to talk about two slightly more expensive, not so easily available in India products. I contemplated on not including these products, but then I was like, if I have to stay genuine to this video, I have to include these products. There is no replacement. I tried to find an Indian replacement. They're from Fenty, okay? So the first one is their Cognac Candy, what are their highlighters called? Diamond Bomb, yes. I don't have the first edition, the silver version of this. I've heard many people talk absolutely fabulous things about them. This is, I think, a year old. Again, it's not a new launch at all. This is the gold version of that highlighter, and this is more of a chunky sparkle. And if you watched my festive hacks video, I told you how I'm not into that stripe of highlighter kind of a thing. This gives you more of a dispersed glitter, and if you are looking for a glazed donut look for a function, a wedding, or you know, whatever it is, this also acts as a beautiful eyeshadow topper if you want that dispersed, hardly noticeable, but it's definitely there, gold shimmer. Stunning. And the second product I was kind of guilty about including in this video is the Fenty Lip Gloss. This is the gloss bomb. All the bombs is what I'm crazy about, and this is in the shade Cheeky. I love that. Okay, it's a clear gloss, okay? It's what I've got on my lips today. It smells like candy. It's not sticky. It's so comfortable, but it gives you a slight orange tint, and there is this hardly noticeable tiny micro shimmers in gold. It's just, you can't see glitter on my lips at all. It's not orange at all, but it definitely gave something. You can use a clear gloss without a doubt, but if you want to feel a little more special, and if Fenty is accessible to you, and if you've got the budget for it, get this. You know what, guys? Sometimes the tiny little things bring a lot of joy in our life. You know, the tiny little things, like a gloss. Alright, to make up for that, I have two extremely affordable, very easily available lip options I want to talk about. One is the Nude Lipstick. I've been speaking about this for the last 2 years. This is Faces Canada Ultim Pro Lip Stick in the shade 08 Warm Nude. If you are of a deeper skin tone, medium skin tone, this is the perfect brown nude, neutral brown nude, not mauve, not red, not pink, not purple, brown. If you are a fairer skin tone, this will still look very beautiful for you. It'll just look like brown, you know, like a Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian kind of a neutral brown. Now, if you want something more festive, more berry, the Nikah Luxe lipstick in the shade Pilates. Oh, this shade is so beautiful. Now, I feel like this particular shade is such a common shade in India because this is what all of us gravitate towards, especially for an event, and it looks gorgeous on our Indian skin tone no matter what shade range you are. But there's something about this it looks so rich, you know, something about it amazing. And that's it. These are all the makeup must-haves that I feel you must have right now. Let me know if you agree with me. Let me know if you have any additions to this, some makeup products that you want me to try. And I will see you on Instagram, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you so much. Mwah! Bye.